Hello and welcome to your Southeast Idaho planning briefing for Saturday, March 6th. My name's Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. Key points for the next few days. We'll see a weak cold front move through the area today. That'll bring a round of wind and mainly high elevation rain and snow showers. A fairly quiet Sunday is in store before a stronger cold front moves through the area Monday and Monday night. That'll bring a round of precipitation to the area, with the best chances for snow across the central Idaho mountains getting into Monday afternoon. And then Monday night into Tuesday over the eastern highlands and south hills. Eastern portions of the Snake Plain will also see a chance for some rain and snow showers, but we are still trying to pin down those exact locations. And conditions will remain cool on Tuesday with some scattered showers around, especially in the afternoon and evening. But fairly quiet but cool conditions from midweek through the end of the week. Confidence is medium on the details at this time. Taking a look at the satellite picture for this morning, we can see an increase in clouds here across the Pacific Northwest. The weak cold front is currently across portions of eastern Oregon and eastern Washington. That'll be moving through central and eastern Idaho from late this morning through early this afternoon. Looking back farther out towards the west, an area of low pressure is camped in the Gulf of Alaska, and this area of low pressure will gradually slide southeastward towards the California coast by midweek and kind of hang out there for a while before gradually moving eastward. There's some uncertainty as to where that low will go, how it will evolve late this week and into next weekend, but the bulk of the impacts from this low should remain off to our south and west, but the low will be close enough on Tuesday, should be centered just off the Oregon coast and close enough to provide the shower chances for us. Your weather impact summary, again, not a lot of colors on this, as we are not expecting much in the way of impacts for this week, as mentioned, and we'll show you a forecast radar depiction for today, showing you the best chances for where rain and snow showers are expected. But again, mainly higher terrain areas. A quiet Sunday. We'll see some breezy conditions for Monday ahead of the next cold front, and then rain and snow showers will develop in the afternoon across the central Idaho mountains, continue through Monday night. And for Tuesday, well, let's say Monday night, we'll start to see some shower activity develop across the eastern highlands, the southeast highlands, and then it'll linger into Tuesday. If any precipitation starts as rain in valleys late Monday, it should switch over to snow by Monday night and Tuesday as colder air moves into the area. And then Tuesday afternoon, we'll see a resurgence in snow or shower activity for higher terrain areas. Fairly quiet Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday, mainly afternoon snow showers for higher elevation areas. Your forecast radar for today looks like this. Again, green areas is where rain is favored, and blue areas is where snow is favored. So by mid-morning, we'll start to see those rain and snow showers develop across the central Idaho mountains. Could be an isolated shower over the Snake River Plain, but most of the activity will be over the higher terrain areas. As you can see, it's a very quick-moving front, not a lot of moisture associated with it, and most of the precipitation will have come to an end just after sunset this evening. How much snow might fall? Well, not a lot. The heaviest snow will be in the Sawtooths and in the mountains surrounding Sun Valley, with at most 1 to 2 inches. Nearly everyone else will see less than that. High temperatures today remaining mild out ahead of the front, with widespread 50s across the southern Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley. Very similar temperatures for Sunday. We'll see a slight bump up in temperatures on Monday, and then Tuesday you can see the cool down behind the front back to seasonal averages for this time of year. Lows Sunday morning should be below freezing for most of us, but nothing particularly cold for this time of year. But we do get colder for Wednesday morning. Now, I should say Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday morning should be very similar to this, and then Wednesday morning, so like slightly colder, as we'll be behind the cold fronts by then. Wind gusts this morning, we'll see some south wind increase, especially along the I-86 corridor out of the south, as I mentioned, with some gusts in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range possible. And the peaks across the central Idaho mountains will see similar winds Getting into this afternoon, you can see after the cold front, widespread 30 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts expected over the southern Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley and associated higher terrain areas. Now, this wind is below advisory threshold, so no advisories are in effect. And we'll see the breezy conditions linger through this evening and then gradually wind down overnight. To by Sunday morning, the strong winds are done and they've already switched around to the northeast and east across the southern Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley. Monday, they're back to the southwest and west. We're not expecting quite as high of winds as we were. Just essentially breezy conditions now Monday ahead of this system, and the winds will increase ever so slightly Monday night and Tuesday behind the front. 6 to 10 day outlook still favors below normal temperatures, but it's eased up a bit compared to what we saw over the past couple of days. So moderating temperatures into mid-March and conditions becoming less unsettled with now with odds slightly favoring below normal precipitation chances by mid-month. So to summarize, a weak cold front will bring a period of wind and mainly mountain showers today. That'll be ending this evening. After a dry Sunday and Monday morning, we'll see rain and snow showers develop across the central Idaho mountains Monday afternoon and evening, and some of that precip will spread eastward Monday night and Tuesday morning. Any low elevation rain will change over to snow by Tuesday morning. Some areas won't see any precipitation though with this system. We'll still pin down those details, I should say. And then colder conditions building in the area Tuesday with mainly mountain snow showers for Tuesday and Wednesday. And then dry and seasonable to round out the end of the week. That concludes the briefing for today. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback for us, you can pass those things along to the contact mediums that you see here. Otherwise, please join us again on Sunday. Thanks.